Hi everyone. Today I'm very excited to present to you new generation of Gorenje built-in appliances called SmartFit. Why do we call these appliances SmartFit? Because they are smart and they look fit. No, in reality we call them smart because inside we have advanced technology, we have innovative features and we have connectivity as well. On the other hand, we call them fit because they perfectly fit into your kitchen and they offer you a lot of possibilities how to fine-tune the interior of appliances toward your daily needs so they really fit to you. So, welcome to Gorenje Built-In Cooling SmartFit generation. This is our biggest model. It's definitely taller than me since it's 193 centimeters and it's no frost technology. But let's go step by step. We mentioned advanced technology. First is definitely AdaptTech. AdaptTech is function that recognizes our habits. It recognizes how often we open and close the door. You know that every opening and closing causes temperature stress inside the appliance, since the temperature go up. But with this advanced technology, appliance smartly recognizes this period of the day and automatically reduces the temperature for approximately 1 degree. With this, you have less temperature stress. Main benefits are here: less temperature stress, better food quality, and much better energy efficiency. When we are talking about modern appliances, we are always talking about no-frost appliances. We all know no frost. No frost means no ice means no cleaning, and no cleaning means no problem, because none of us has time to do some extra cleaning. What is more, this appliance is no frost dual appliance. What does it mean? That we actually have no frost in refrigerator part and no frost in freezer part. These are two separate systems with separate controls. With this we achieve much better energy efficiency, and on the other hand you have benefit that the smells and odors are not mixing inside. No frost technology is supported by this metal cooling system that you see on the back. This metal cooling system on one hand gives appliance premium touch because of this premium material, metal sheet on the back, and on the other hand it also accumulates the cold air. With this you get extra cold air inside and you go a step forward into greater energy efficiency. All this technology is supported by inverter compressor technology. Main benefits of inverter technology is that actually appliance works more steady, so no big up and down, no jumping, but steady performance, and this is very good for a long lifetime of appliance. On the other hand, it uses only the amount of energy that is really needed, and it produces much less noise than actually classical compressors. So all these benefits of inverter compressor are in all our appliances of this new Gorenje built-in generation called SmartFit. To point out, we have nice overview of interior with this new double LED light solution, so you can easily see what is inside, so you don't have to search for a food, but you just pick it and go. And we have also some other innovative features inside, like fresh zone and crease zone. Fresh zone is specially dedicated part, for instance, for meat, cheese, fish and similar, because the temperature here inside is actually approximately 2 to 3 degrees lower of the temperature on the other part of the refrigerator. Why is this? Because on the back side we have two holes that blow inside cold air, and with this effect can be done. We are very proud on our new crease zone, special dedicated place, little garden of our refrigerators to be correct, because inside you can put fruits and vegetables. And what is more, it comes on these telescopic guides with extra carrying capacity up to the 30 kilos, so you can really load a lot inside. We all know that fruits and vegetables need special attention when it comes to humidity. Some need more humidity, some need less humidity. We thought also this, and that's why we put here the humidity control on top. Inside we have also accessories meant for storing special delicate items or some extra part for the eggs. This is not all, because also when it comes to the freezer part, we have something special inside. Convert active function. Convert active function of freezer actually means that if you don't like the freezer, you can turn it into refrigerator. How we can do this? Open your refrigerator part, go up to the user interface, choose here convert function, hold it for 5 seconds, and then you can set the temperature of this part between the -3 and +5 degrees. And with this solution, you can turn this into extra space for your daily needs. So, as you remember, we are talking about customization. You can customize this part, and you can also customize this part, even by selecting the different temperature. Now, let's do a quick summary. Our new generation with advanced technology, energy efficiency, we did not mention it before, but we are going down to the C energy class and noise level of 34 decibels. This is similar of whispering around you, so you will not hear it at all. And connectivity, and on top of it, all these innovative features that we just presented. So this is definitely the right appliance for you if you really want to go step with the trends and step with the future. So welcome to Gorenje new generation of built-in appliances, Gorenje SmartFit, and enjoy in our Gorenje family and stay with us on the cool side of life.
Gorenje.